What's up guys, Dante here. Now, you've seen the title of this video, but one of the things I wanted to mention is that I recently got the God of War for PS4. Now, I've seen reviews of it from IGN and other places like that. One of the things they said was this game was magnificent in 4K. So, yes, I recently got a PS4 Pro. Now, a while back I did a video on a 65-inch 4K Sony TV. Sony PS4, Sony TV, 4K, and this, I want to see this. So enough talking, let's get on to this unboxing. I got my little sword here, or whatever you want to call it. And pretty much, alright, how am I going? Here we go. All right. Box is open. Come on. That's kind of disappointing. It's a plain old PS4 box. The outer box is better than this. All right, let's see what's in here. Have some literature. I don't really care about that. That's the system. This is what the power cable. Anything else? Okay. The headset. I can't. This is one thing I have to say. The PlayStation is like one of the top selling consoles right now, and this headset is completely trash. But they give you one, so can't get mad. This is the charging cable for the PS4 controller. One of my gripes I always had with the PS4, well, PlayStation, PS4, did the 3 have one? Is that why is the daggone charging cable for the PS4 controller so short? Now you gotta be all the way. Anything else? Alright. Maybe something else. Get out of here. Get out of here. Like MB be smacking them shots. Get it out of here. Okay. Oops, upside down. This ain't as big as I thought it's big, but it's not as big as I thought it was. Like in like some of the advertisement, this thing looks completely huge, but look at it. It don't look that big. I see the fiber optic cable is back, so I can put it in surround sound, which is a good thing because I have the movie theater downstairs. I'm gonna be putting this on that TV, and I can play this in surround sound, which is great. Got the output for the camera, which I will not be getting, the Ethernet port. Yeah, but yeah, this is good. What else? What else? Oh, I could have took the whole thing out. Didn't realize that. Come here. Get out of here. HDMI. I wonder, is this HDMI the 2.0? And the controller. Same controller, nothing new. Yeah, so I'm officially console up to the point where everything will be in 4K. Now, what I do like is the fact that you don't have to buy a separate disc for this. It just pretty much downloads the enhancement that it needs to play in 4K, which is great. Because, you know, with Blu-rays, you got to buy the 4K Blu-ray versions. It ain't no upgrading, downloading regular Blu-rays and the upgrades, and it ain't none of that. It's just, you got to buy them flat out, which is a great thing. But the problem is, with the 4K enhancements, it takes up even more space on your hard drive, and they only give you a terabyte hard drive. I recently just got rid of my Xbox One S with the 2 terabyte, and they were shocked that I still had one because they didn't sell out of those. But you don't realize how fast 2 terabytes, no, not even two, just 1 terabyte can fill up with just 5 or 6 games, and they all like 50 gigabytes or more. Especially if you got 4K games, which I don't understand why they just give you 2 terabytes. But I understand, cost efficient, cut the price down, get the system out. Don't want to have spend too much money on making these things. I get that, but this is pretty much my unboxing of the PS4 Pro. Stay tuned. I will be doing like videos and see if any. You can't really tell on YouTube, but I'm gonna try to tell you my personal experience that I've had with this, and see if it's any big difference in compared to regular 1080p on the PS4 or 4K. We shall see. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.